A very good morning, students. Jai Gurudev. Today we will discuss fraction in its lowest form. I think you have already got in class 4 also. Now, how to reduce a fraction in its lowest form? To reduce a fraction in its lowest form, divide its numerator and the denominator by their HCF. You have already learned what do you mean by HCF, what is numerator, what is denominator of a fraction. Now, the only common factor of the numerator and denominator is 1 if a fraction is in its lowest form. That means a fraction is in its lowest form when both the numerator and denominator's common factor is 1. Suppose this one 2 by 3. 2 by 3, here 2 is the numerator, 3 is the denominator. Here 2 and 3 common factor is what? 1. That's why 2 by 3 is known as what? Lowest form. Or if it is 4 by 5, here 4 and 5, both the numerator and denominator has common factor what? 1. That's why 4 by 5 this fraction is in lowest form. But if it is given 8 by 10, then what happened? This 8 by 10, it is not in its lowest form. Because 8 and 10, both the numerator and denominator have common factor is what? 2. Because if we divide by 2, cancel by 2, then it will be this one 4. If it is cancelled by 2, 10, then it will be 5. That means this one is equal to 4 by 5. Here 8 by 10, lowest form is 4 by 5. That means because 8 and 10, both the numerator and denominator common factor is 2. Therefore, 8 by 10, if we divide by 2, you can cancel like this way. This one is equal to 4 by 5. You can do this way also, this way also. Okay? Do you understand? Means lowest form means if the fraction both the numerator and denominator have the common factor is only 1, then that fraction is in its lowest form. Do you understand? Now here one example given here. Reduce the following fraction in its lowest form. 35 by 45. Here factor of 35 means 5 7s are 35 into 1 means 35. 45, 5 into 3 into 3 into 1 means 5 9s are 45. Therefore 5 we factorize like this way. Now if we check 35 and 45 have common factor which one? 5. That means 5 and 1. That means 5 into 1 means 5. 5 is the common factor of 5 and 35. To reduce this one fraction, 35 by 45, if we cancel by 5, 35 and 45, if we divide 35 and 45 by 5, then we will get what? This one 7 by 9. Now 7 by 9 is the reduced form of 35 by 45, lowest form. Lowest form is this one. That means to reduce the fraction into its lowest form, divide the numerator and denominator by 5, then we will get what? 7 by 9. Now 7 by 9 is the lowest form of 35 by 45. Do you understand? Now how to convert a fraction into its lowest form? Do you understand? Next, comparing fraction. How to compare? Suppose one activity given here, this one and this one. Here this one part, equal part. This part divide into how many part? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 part. From 5 part, if we take one part, then this part we identify by 1 by 5. That means out of 5 part we take 1 part. This one in fraction we can say 1 by 5. And same equal things, if we divide into 3 parts, then from these 3 parts, if we take one part, then this part we identify by 1 by 3. Means out of 3 parts we take 1 part. In fraction we can say 1 by 3, and this one in fraction we can say 1 by 5, because out of 5 we take how many part? 1 part. Here out of 3 we take only 1 part. If we take here 2 part, then out of 5, if we take 2 part, then we can, in fraction we say 2 by 5. Okay, like this way. Next, one example. We have to check which one greater. Now here also, here can you say which one greater? We can't say which one greater. But symbolically this one part is less than this one part. That's why we can say this one less than this one. But sometimes it will get problem. Therefore, example 2 by 3 is greater than 1 by 3. We can easily say, because here both the denominators are same. Now we compare the numerator. 2 is greater than 1, that's why 2 by 3 is greater than 1 by 3. Here 5 by 7 and 8 by 7. Here 8 is greater than 5, therefore 5 by 7 is less than 8 by 7. Yeah, 8 by 7 is greater than 5 by 7. If 4 by 11 greater than 2 by 11, here both the denominators are same. We compare the numerator. 4 is greater than 2, that's why 4 by 11 is greater than 2 by 11. Okay, that means if denominators are same, then we compare the numerator and which one greater. First we check which one greater. That one greater numerator is the greater fraction when both the denominators are same. But another example, here given which is greater, 3 by 4 and 2 by 7. In case directly we can't say. That's why first we have to find these two equivalent fraction. That means we have to make both the denominators are same. Here 3 by 4 and 2 by 7. Here now we find the LCM of 4 and 7. Here 4 and 7, there is no common factor, that's why we can directly multiply 4 and 7, 4 sevens are 28. Now we multiply both numerator and denominator, this one fraction by 7 and this one fraction by 4. Why? To make it equivalent fraction. We have to make their denominator should be same. That means here find the LCM 4 and 7. You can find the LCM like this way also. But here 4 and 7, there is no common factor. That's why directly you can multiply 4 sevens are 28. But if they have common factor, then we have to find the LCM like this way. Okay. Now first we find the LCM. After finding the LCM, we will make the equivalent fraction. Now if we multiply 3 by 4, both numerator and denominator by 7, then we will get 21 by 28. And other fraction, again we have to multiply by 4. Why? To make 28 we have to multiply by 4. Therefore if we multiply denominator by 4, then numerator also we have to multiply. Next, 2 4s are 8, 7 4s are 28. Now we can compare. Why? Because both the fractions denominators are same. If denominators are same, then we compare the numerator. Here 21 is greater than 8. That's why the fraction 21 by 28 is greater than 8 by 28. Now 21 by 28 means what? 21 by 28 means 3 by 4. And 8 by 28 means 2 by 7. Therefore 3 by 4 is greater than 2 by 7. This way we can compare the fraction. To compare if it is denominators are different, means unlike fraction, then we have to do like this way. And if it is like fraction given, these are the like fraction. like fraction, these are like fraction. Why? All the fraction numerators, denominators are same. Then we can compare directly. I hope all of you understand how to compare.